From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. You know what we're going to call this video? We're going to call it the March month-end rip. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1867.70. Mid-morning, the low came in at 1860 even early in the morning. And last, we're 1864 even. We're up 13.5 handles. Total volume, 1.4 million minis trade and 1.4 thousand big S&Ps trade in the pit. MOC, we had 160 million to sell to 288 million to sell. The cash close came in at 1865.19. Tomorrow's the first trading day of April, and it has the Dow up 15 of the last 19 occasions, according to Stock Traders Almanac. As far as the economic front goes tomorrow, we've got a fairly heavy schedule. We've got the motor vehicle sales number. We've got the Gallup US ECI number. We've got the Redbook. We've got PMI Manufacturing Index. We've got ISM MFG Index. We've got construction spending. And you know what? At the end of the day, we're going into a new month and a new quarter. And what the pit bulls taught me and what we saw last week was that they sold all the big four-letter stocks: Google, BIIB, all the big stocks. And what we think is going to happen is, at least in the beginning of the first few days of April, they're going to come rushing back and they're going to buy all those stocks back up. Now, late in the day, the MIM had mixed readings. It went all the way to 600 million for sale. And when the S&P didn't move down right away, I thought to myself, wow, there's got to be something wrong here. The S&P rallied up to rallied up to 67 even, and then sold off when we went into the 3 o'clock cash close, and as we're talking right now. But at the end of the day, you know what? After Friday's big move up and then today's big move up, I think the S&P is going toward new highs. I really do. I think we take out the highs this week, and I think we're on our way to 1900. But you know what? As soon as you start thinking something like that, it goes the other way. We'll see you tomorrow on the opening prep.